Hi guys, short video here about the Eau de Cologne, the Prime Platinum from Aeropostale. And this video is not about the smell and everything. Of course, it's a rather cheap Eau de Cologne. It's definitely not the best, but I think it's also not the worst. I tried this yesterday when we bought it, and even after the alcohol has been disappearing, it left a really nice scent, so I kind of liked it. This video is just how to open this bottle because it could be a little bit tricky, or at least not as easy as some people might think. If you buy this, or at least the same thing as I bought, and you just pull here, then it looks like that. And some people could think, oh, what's that? Maybe we have to remove that. There's even some glue. So either we have to remove the glue and then work on that, or we have to twist this, which also works. Somehow it's weird, but actually this is just the cap. I don't know why this is. So it looks like the problem is that the glue was not strong enough. Maybe that's the reason why they are selling this at the moment a little bit cheaper. So the cap is this part here and this part and even the black part. So we put this thing back, or actually I can show you that better here because we can grab that actually, and then we have access to the pump spray. So that's one part actually. So I suspect that they were using some kind of glue which didn't really work. You can push this here inside if you want, and that's the whole cap here. These three parts are actually the cap. So if you don't want to put it back, you can just leave it like that and you're good to go. Maybe from now on it will work a little bit better. Yeah, I think it was just the first time when it disintegrated, or if it happens again, you can add a little bit of your own glue inside. So other than that, seems to work nicely. You can see normal pump spray, nothing to complain, especially not for a cheap price, I would say. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this Eau de Cologne Prime Platinum from Aeropostale, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.